Hi guys, happy new year to everyone. I am getting lot of requests from the students saying that explain about the warehouse structure, warehouse operations, and really speaking, like before touching to SAP EWM system, most of the consultants should know what operations are going in the warehouse. So how they are moving the product from one place to another place. These all things every consultant should know. So I'm going to explain all these things in the couple of videos. So let's start this warehouse structure and operations video. So in today's session we are going to learn about classic warehouse structure and warehouse operations. So assume this is a warehouse. To this warehouse we have inbound doors like IB01, IB02 and outbound doors OB01, OB02. So whenever we are going to receive the material from the vendor, so that vehicle will dock to this IB01 door. So once vehicle dock, then the warehouse people are going to unload the material from the door to staging area. Staging area means basically we are going to do unloading, goods receipt, quality inspection, counting. These kind of activities will take care of in the staging area. So SAP has given standard storage type as 9010 and the bin in that is GR zone. So once material unloaded into the staging area, so we do unloading GR activity. So once goods is done, the stock overview we can see in the SAP system. So the stock updation will happen the moment we do the goods receipt. Suppose whenever we receive the material from the vendor in a loose condition, assume nowadays warehouses are like packing the material into boxes, cartons, and this will be sold in the market with boxes and cartons. So this material will move to a packing work center. There packing is going to happen. So once packing done, so based on the material attributes, product attributes, this can be put away into multiple storage types. So let's say, for example, RK10, RK20, RK30. These are the three storage types. So here we are moving the product from the work center to this particular bin. So this activity we call as a put away. So basically in the warehouse, unloading, goods receipt and put away are the activities we execute in the inbound side. So once we put away the stock will be updated in the system at the storage type level, section level, bin. So this material is available in what bin. Okay, so that up to that level we can see in SAP EWM. So now let's talk about the picking side. So picking side, like we call this picking as a stock removal. So assume like customer, let's say customer C1, he ordered X material 5 quantity. Let's say in this bin we have 100 quantity. Okay, so order quantity is 5 quantity. So here the sales people are going to create sales order. Against to the sales order outbound will be created, and against to that OBD the warehouse person is going to pick 5 quantity from this bin. So once this 5 quantity picked, and this will be transferred to the staging area. So in the inbound side we have seen staging area called 9010. The same way in the outbound side also we have a staging area called 9020, and in that we have a bin called GR zone. So once the material picked, either we can pack while picking through the Pikachu, or we can pack those material in the work center, or this material can be packed in the staging area. So here basically we are consolidating multiple products. So I have taken example of X material. Let's say X, Y, Z material order. So these 3 different material, the picker is going to pick from multiple bins, bring it to the staging area. There he is going to consolidate in the pallet. Consolidation means we are packing all materials together as one shipment. So this shipment will be loaded into the vehicle via door called OP01. So once all materials of deliveries are loaded, then this vehicle will leave from the warehouse premises. So basically the warehouse operations are like inbound. Warehouse operations are inbound operations, outbound operations, and mid-bound operations. Inbound means goods receipt process, outbound means goods issue process delivering to the customer. Mid-bound means your product is moving inside of the warehouse from one place to another place. So this is whole classical warehouse structure, and these are the warehouse operations. Thank you.